Hello students of the bachelor class. Welcome back to another exciting lesson in our Software and Hardware Fundamentals module. I hope you had attempted the quiz for lessons 1, 2, and 3 of our previous lessons. Today, we're delving deep into the heart of your computer, the motherboard. The motherboard is like the central nervous system of your machine, connecting all the vital components and ensuring they work seamlessly together. So, let's explore the fascinating world of the components of the motherboard. The motherboard is the main printed circuit board, PCB, in your computer, housing critical components that make your system tick. It's essentially the foundation upon which the entire computer system is built. Now, let's break down the key components that make up this crucial piece of hardware. First up, we have the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. This is often referred to as the brain of the computer. The CPU performs all the calculations and executes instructions, making it a critical component of the motherboard. It's like the conductor directing the orchestra of your computer's functions. Next on the list is RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory. Think of RAM as the short-term memory of your computer. It stores data that is actively being used or processed by the CPU. The more RAM you have, the smoother your system will run, especially when handling multiple tasks simultaneously. Now, let's talk about expansion slots. These are like the open parking spaces on your motherboard, allowing you to add extra components like graphics cards, sound cards, or network cards. These slots provide the flexibility to customize and upgrade your computer's capabilities. Moving on to input-output ports, these are the gateways that allow your computer to communicate with external devices. USB ports, HDMI ports, and audio jacks are examples of I/O ports. They enable you to connect peripherals such as keyboards, mice, monitors, and more. Beyond the visible components, there's the BIOS or UEFI firmware. This is the software that initializes the hardware during the boot-up process. It's like the startup instructions for your computer, ensuring that everything kicks into gear smoothly. As we wrap up our exploration of the components of the motherboard, remember that understanding this essential piece of hardware is key to building and maintaining a high-performance computer. Whether you're a computer science student or an enthusiast, knowing how these components work together empowers you to make informed decisions about your computer system. Thanks for joining us today and stay tuned for more exciting lessons in the world of computer studies education. If you found this lesson video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Our next lesson is bootstrapping using the BIOS. Bootstrapping, in the world of computer software, refers to the process of initializing a software system by loading it onto a computer's BIOS, basic input-output system. Until next time, happy learning.